into engizama ukuyisho ukuthi kulonyaka asime ngokuchaza, asime ngokuyiprova, asime ngokuyidefenda. Asibayeke bekholwe lokhu abafuna ukukholwa ngathi. Asibayeke bekholwe yilokhu abafuna ukukholwa ngempilo. Ake nje ureserve energy yakho. Just let them believe what they want to believe. Okay? You don't convince. You just let your actions speak on your behalf. You don't defend. What? You are wasting your energy. Your precious energy. The very same energy you use to talk is the very same energy you can use to make actions and results to speak on your behalf in front of them. Anyway, like, there's no point trying to prove what works. There's no point, because what you know works, and what you say you are. Just because they are not aware or they don't see what you are outside, but within you know and see, and you trust the process that you are what you say you are. Because now, if you're driving a car, there's an interior and an exterior. It might happen that the exterior looks ugly maybe, but the interior is so beautiful and satisfying. So which one you prefer? Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi kwenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, yabona. Kuyenzeka mfethu sithola ukuthi i-interior mhlambe ibukeka ingeyangu 1970. Is not even sexy, yabo. Got the exterior, you wow, but wow, yabo. And uthola in contrast, the interior is so immaculate, is so astronomically beautiful, yabo. It's flamboyant, the interior, but the exterior is just a thing, you see. So now, because all of us are driving, we are driving, because we are drivers of this vehicle that is our body, right? So how is your interior? If your interior is beautiful, you just trust the process. Because my interior is beautiful, surely it's gonna reflect on the outside. My interior will reflect, my exterior will reflect my interior. So looking at me, if bona bengiphikisa, it's their own baby to feed. Lokhu mina ngilendlela engibona ngayo mina, because it's proven. I know it for sure. My gut, my intuition